Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to TechEasy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can set up this Google Assistant on your mobile within a minute. So when you give voice command like Hey Google or OK Google, a search assistant will pop up and will take your voice commands. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to have Google Assistant on your mobile. If it is not present, simple. You can go to the Play Store and search for Assistant here, and you will find this Google Assistant and install this. Anyway, for most of the mobiles it is already installed. And the next part is you need to click on your phone settings. Under phone settings, just reach to this Google option. Just click on this Google option, and here you will find all services. Tap on that all services, and here you will find something like search assistant and voice. So you need to click on the search assistant and voice, and here you will find this Google Assistant. So tap on this Google Assistant. See, right now for my mobile it is asking like teach your voice assistant to recognize your voice. So there is no setup yet. So I need to click on this option, and now I need to enable this option first. Hey Google. So yeah, this is the first time I am doing this. So I need to click on more here, and I need to agree the terms and conditions if I'm okay, and teach Google to recognize your voice, or click on more, click on agree. It is asking me to say, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Just speak out these words. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. See, just you need to follow the on-screen instructions. Just say with your voice. Okay, I need to click on S. It is saying that the setup has been completed. So now we'll check how it is working. Okay. Hey Google. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Prepare to chuckle. Or groan. What do you do if your boyfriend hates fruit jokes? You let the man go.
Yeah. See here, now I just gave a voice command like hey Google, tell me a joke. So it has responded to my voice command. So yeah, again it is responding. So to activate Google Assistant, you need to say hey Google followed by your voice instruction. Hey Google, can you call Sudhir? So you can even give voice commands to call someone in your contact list. If you want that tutorial, please do find it in the description. And yeah, if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. And remember, there are a lot more options here under Google Search Assistant and voice. And there are you need to enable this lock screen also for the Google Assistant to respond on the lock screen. Just enable this. Okay. Then here Google Assistant voice and sounds.
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
So you can make the Google Assistant to speak in the male version and the female version. This you can keep the settings here. Likewise, you can enable the continuous conversation. So yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.